Okay, so in this video I'm going to do a check on the low level protection to protect the system from running dry. So this is to ensure that the raw water tanks has water in it. We're going to simulate it by actually triggering the float valve. So we're going to pull it out of the raw water tank, and I'm going to show you that if the water level drops, the switch would obviously be change from horizontal to vertical, and the system will stop. So let me start the system. So I'm going to make sure that everything starts, as well as the high pressure pumps, and then I'm going to walk outside to show you what the case is. Now obviously everything is starting up. Just waiting for the high pressure pump to start to get up to the set hertz. So that one is set on 35 hertz. This one is set at 30 hertz. This one always needs to be higher than this one. So it's almost there. Okay, now I'm going to go outside. Okay, so I'm walking to the tank. Okay, please trigger low level. Okay, so that's obviously vertical now, so the tanks, you can hear it stopping. Just go back into the container. So there's an alarm, low level. I'm going to tell him to emulate to put it back for high level for the plant to start automatically. Just show you that the switch is going back in. Okay, please put it back into position. Okay, so it's back into position. There you can hear the system is starting up again. I'm just going to stay on the video until full speed is reached. So there, the alarm is gone. See that high is just to show that the conductivity is high at the moment. It is going to drop after the high pressure pump runs for a couple of minutes. So there the high pressure pumps are starting. Going up to full speed, so it's going to make a lot of noise now. All the dosing pumps are also running. This pump is running. See the pressure is running. Keep running.